That bounce right here.
Come on now.
Time to move on. Time to be strong. Don't stop now, straight to the top now. That's what I need.
Someone to truly understand how to treat a man.
Come on, that's for you, baby. Girl, you made me believe again. If you happy, then be with him. Go ahead, mommy, breathe again. Go ahead, mommy, breathe again. Don't stop now, straight to the top now. Go ahead, mommy, make it hot now. I need me a love that's gonna make my heart stop now. And what I need is simple. 5'5" with dimples, potential wife credentials. Know about the life I'm into, life I've been through, and how I had a trifling mental. So ride with me, G4, fly with me. Times get hard, cry with me, die with me. White Beach Saints, lie with me. My advice is forget the limelight. Let's make love while we listen to Frank White. So tight, now I understand life. Yeah, take that. Come on.
Is a pretty woman next to me? A pretty woman, yeah, baby. To share the dreams that I believe.
Dream with me, believe.
Come on. Maybe we can start a family. Start a family, baby. Someone that truly understands, oh yeah, how to treat a man.
What should I say now? Come on, ma, been a whole day now. I wanna lay round and sip colada, dipped in Prada. I'm smooth as Eric Estrada, dipped in dollars. We out in Vegas, Nevada. Bubble bath in a champagne glass, about the size of a campaign ad. You don't know how you looked at me, but if love was a crime, you's a crook to me. Cause mommy, I done been around the world, seen a lot of places, been around your girl, believe I read faces. I could tell she don't want me prevail, but I learned my lesson watching Sean stressing. So why listen to her and start guessing? Mommy, you ain't ready to ride to start dressing. I need a girl, receive my mom's blessing. Confession, my love, no contesting. I need affection.
Listen, I need affection. Let's go, Mario.
Girl, what the hell is on your mind?
Yeah.
I could be done, but I'm not blind.
Come on.
There's something leaking in your mind.
Get your mind right.
Don't look too good for you and me. Always getting weak. That ain't what I need, baby. Is a pretty woman next to me.
Yeah.
Oh, please, baby. To share the dreams that I believe. I need a girl in my life. Maybe we can start a family. Start a family, baby. Someone that truly understands, baby. How to treat a man. This is what I need.
Sun don't shine forever, but as long as it's here, then we might as well shine together. Never mind the weather, go somewhere and get our minds together. Build a love that'll last forever. So let's stop the pain, stop the rain. Put stress to rest, girl, stop the games. Name the spot, mommy, I got the plane. Road too rough, I got the rain. Well, I got some things, known to put rocks and rings. Push 100-foot yachts and things. Your man don't play. Have you ever been to Sandro Pay or seen a brother play a mandolay? Girl, I wanna just look in your eyes and watch the sunrise. No more lies, no more tears to cry. No more reasons for leaving. You I believe in. Love you to the day I stop breathing. I love you, girl. Come on.
Yes, there's a pretty woman next to me, girl. To share the dreams that I believe. When I wake up in the morning, maybe we can start a family. I wanna see your pretty face. Someone to truly understand how to treat a man. Oh yeah, what I need.
Is that all you want?
Is a pretty woman next to me.
Make a sacrifice
to share the dreams that I believe.
And maybe we
someone that truly understands how to treat a man. This is what I need, baby. Is a pretty woman next to me, standing next to me, girl. To share the dreams that I believe. When I wake up in the morning, maybe we can start a family. I wanna see your pretty face, baby. Someone that truly understands, baby. How to treat a man. Oh yeah, what I need is a pretty woman next to me.
Ich bin geboren als Alevite, bin zufrieden, denn ich lebe mein Leben. Ohne Ikimam stehen daneben, ich bin stolz es zu sein. Dieses Gefühl, es ist schön, es zu wissen, nicht allein zu sein. Es ist Zeit, geh nun raus und zeig unser Stolz, versteckt euch nicht. Hab Mumm und Kraft, Homie, ich weiß, dass du schaffst. Lange haben wir uns versteckt, doch nun kommen wir raus. Zieh dein Schwert, gib Acht, Junge, du hast die Macht. Alevite zu sein, das heißt in Friede zu sein, Liebe zu schenken, zu zeigen, solange die Sonne scheint. Toleranz und Liebe, Religion ohne Kriege, Vernunft. Halte durch dein Leben ohne Furcht. Fang jetzt an, geh raus und zeig, wer du bist. Du wirst unterdrückt, gejagt, verbrannt, verdammt, lass es nicht zu. Du musst jetzt handeln, also tu. Menschen reden schlecht über dich, Bruder, lass es nicht zu. Ich werde es tun, ich werde kämpfen, ich werde gehen, mein Leben lang dafür stehen, von euch Abschied nehmen, euch dafür danken, denn Aleviten sind zusammen, bis ans Ende unserer Tage in allen Händen beisammen. Eline, Diline, Berline, Saib, oh. Haltet es ein, seid im Herzen immer rein. Zeigt ihnen, wer wir sind Aleviten. Und es ist still, 12 Imame auf dem Gewissen. Sie wurden vergiftet oder in Moscheen gerichtet, verfolgt in Kerbela, verbrannt in Sivas. Menschenmassen streiken, doch denkt euch, was soll das? Es ist vorbei, das Leid, die Trauer ist der Feind. Wenn wir gehen, sehen unsere Leute, wie wir weiterleben. Unser Stolz, unsere Liebe lässt uns weiter am Leben. Denn die Weisheit, die wir tragen, lässt die Leiden verwehen.